Hi guys. Okay, sometimes you just have to take a break, and this beautiful area here at Lake Quinault is only 45 minutes from my house, so I have to come up here. I bought some property up here, which I'm really excited. It's just a small lot. It's only worth like $2,000 right now. But when I show you the scenery, yeah, you would probably say it's priceless, this property up here. It's probably maybe 5 miles from this spot. Okay, so here we are. This is Lake Quinault. There's Maxie Waxy. The dogs came with me, and this place is just fabulous. It's just a small waterfall coming down off the side of the hill, and I mean, come on, can it get any better than this? Starting to rain a little bit. It was raining on the way here. Beautiful waterfalls. Be careful I don't slip. But check this out, okay? Is that just fabulous? This is why I live here. Why I live here. Okay, so the occasional logging truck goes by, breaks up my... What are you doing, Max? Are you hiding? Is it starting to rain? It is starting to rain. Pretty good, too. So, I had to put the dogs in the car with me. Trees are just fabulous. Ah, yes. I had to put the dogs in the car with me because they were getting so wet. So, we're going back into the car. And if I see any really cool stuff, I'll take some more pics for you. Bye.